This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up your Android device if it's slow using the RAM boost or the RAM expansion. So this actually helps a lot if you have multiple different applications opened up. We just want to go to the top right and go to settings. And we want to search for a setting called RAM. So we can just type this in, RAM, and we can go to search. And we want to go to something called RAM expansion. So you can see it right here. We can just click on it. And then here it is right here. So it could be called something different, RAM boost, RAM expansion. Just type in RAM and then look for something that kind of signifies that it's expanding it. So we can go from off to 5 gigabytes. So the more RAM, the better. Your tablet is going to run. It's going to be smoother and more efficient. You're going to have multiple different applications open at the same time. So I can go from off to on and then choose the highest amount. But go ahead and just try that out, and your tablet should run a lot smoother. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below.